Hey guys, it's Keith with JT Western Hunter, bringing you our very first install and review video. It's going to be something simple, just a little stubby antenna. Real quick before we get into the video, if you don't care, if you'll go below there and like, subscribe, share this video, it'll help me out greatly. Grow the channel, bring it to more people, and hopefully bring you a lot more videos of review and installation as I build this Jeep up to what I hope to be a great vehicle to take for going out west and chasing elk. I've done it the last couple of years and it has become an addiction for sure. Real quick, what we've got is the Votex 6 3/4. They claim to be the original stubby antenna manufacturer. This thing is pretty simple. It's just a stubby antenna. It does have a M6 by 1.0 female thread on the antenna itself, and then they send you a pack that has about 10 different adapters and everything to it. Comes in a little red package when you open it up. Dig through there, find the one that fits your vehicle. I've already got the one for the Wrangler put in here. I'll put it on real quick, show you how to take this off, put this one on. Pretty simple. Honestly, I've had this thing on for a couple of weeks. I don't really have it tied on here, but it takes it for the Gladiator. It takes a 3/8 end wrench. It's got a couple flats on it. You can take it loose real quick, unscrew this thing. Mine's already bent and I've only had it for a month, but so take this thing, throw it away, keep it, whatever you want to do to it. And I will show you real quick how to put this thing on. It can't get much simpler, but just take it, thread it onto it. Hand tight is all you really got to get it. You don't have to put anything on it and try to torque it or anything to that standpoint. That's pretty much all there is to it. This thing is flexible. You can bend it whatever way you want to. Going down the highway, bending won't cause an issue. Going through car washes, this one is rated to go through car washes, which whenever I was looking for a stubby antenna, a lot of them are not and claim that you're supposed to take them off before you go through a car wash. And let's be real, none of us are going to get out and take an antenna off before we go through a car wash. So that was a point that got me interested in this one, and they claim to have just as good a reception in a stubby antenna as what you have with your factory antenna. I've been running this one for a couple of weeks. I run satellite radio most of the time, but I have switched over to FM, AM, just testing out signal with some channels that I knew of that I got good reception, no reception, and spotty reception, just to see how it is. I cannot tell any downgrade in reception from what we had with just the regular antenna. I think this looks a lot better. Hopefully you guys do too. If this is something that you're interested in, I would just get on Amazon and order it off of there is what I did, and pretty simple, but I like ordering stuff off of Amazon. So I'm sure they've got it on a few other websites, but I'm not sure what they are. I hope this review helps you out. Hope you like it. I look forward to bringing a lot more videos to you, and as soon as I get more stuff in the mail to put in on this video, I will get the videos loaded up. Planning to do some stuff over the weekend, so I'll try to get another video up sometime next week, definitely by the end of next weekend, so you guys can see what else we've done to the Jeep. Hope y'all have a good day. Hope you like it. Y'all have a good one.